Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding without an oven. We'll explore simple, delicious methods that don't require baking. You'll learn about the common ingredients and techniques used to create creamy, satisfying puddings right on your stovetop or in your refrigerator. Get ready to whip up some delightful desserts with ease, perfect for any occasion. Let's dive into the world of no-bake treats. There are several fantastic types of pudding you can make without an oven. Stovetop custards, often thickened with cornstarch or flour, are classic choices. For a quicker set, gelatin-based puddings offer a firm, jiggly texture. If you're looking for a healthier alternative, chia seed puddings are incredibly simple to prepare and packed with nutrients. Each method offers unique textures and flavors to enjoy. The foundation of most no-bake puddings includes milk, sugar, and your chosen flavorings like vanilla or chocolate. For thickening, cornstarch or all-purpose flour are widely used, creating that familiar creamy consistency. If you desire a firmer, more molded pudding, gelatin or its plant-based counterpart, agar-agar, are excellent choices. These key ingredients work together to create your perfect dessert. Making no-bake pudding is surprisingly straightforward. First, whisk your dry ingredients together in a saucepan. Then, gradually add cold milk or other liquids, ensuring no lumps form. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until it thickens to your desired consistency. Finally, pour the pudding into serving dishes and chill it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours. This allows it to set perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.